What is up everyone, welcome back to today's video. So as you can see in the title, today we are installing the AC on my car. I'm sorry if my face looks a little bit sleepy, I just woke up. And today, yes, this is our AC. As you can see, it's brand new. Let me just show you guys. And this is the brackets of the AC compressor. But today we are not going to install this alone. I'm going to send this car to the AC shop because I'm not a professional, as you know. So right now I will drive this car to the AC shop and I will try to document it every day for you guys. But if I can't document it, I will also review. I will give a full review after the car is done. So basically this is my engine right now. So my car, this is a 4K engine and there is no AC at all. There is no aircon, there is no AC system at all in this car. So today we're gonna fully install this thing. Of course not me. This AC compressor I bought, this is a brand new. This is the SWJ1507. So this bracket is for this one. I mean, this bracket is going to here. As you can see, the bolts here, 1, 2 and 3 right there. So this bracket is going inside here and the compressor sits right here, and they're gonna have to install the belting to here. So it kind of just sitting right here, and then they're gonna have some, you call it condenser right here, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. And then maybe they're gonna have an electric fan right here. And then I actually don't really know what aircon works. And for the interior, this is my interior. I just installed the Nardi steering wheel, and most of the people they actually installed an aircon blower right here, like old school style. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hide inside here, inside the dashboard, and they're gonna connect the hose to here and here. So this is actually the air vent from the front. This one, when you drive the car fast, the air will come up from this. But I'm gonna install the blower. I'm gonna hide it under my dashboard and it will blow out from here and also here. So for the front air vent, I'm gonna block it. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna block it so that there is no wind coming inside when I drive this car. And also this charm, this is actually to warn me when I'm driving fast, because when I drive fast this thing will shake, so it will ding ding ding, so I know that I have to slow down. It's just kind of like lucky charm. Alright, so right now I'm going to drive this car to the shop and I will try to document it every single day. I'm gonna miss this car. So this is my first time sending this car to somewhere for a long time. This is my wheel. Thanks for everyone supporting my business. If you haven't checked my link out, it's No Limit Garage on Facebook or Instagram. So what I do is I buy Japanese wheel and I restore them and I refurbish them so that I can sell and people can use on the car like this, because not everyone know how to restore Japanese wheel. So I'm the one doing the work, and of course I make a little profit out of this, all this. So right now we'll send this car over to the shop and I hope everything is fine. So it's time to start this car and let's go to the shop. Whoa. Alright, so right now I reached the aircon shop. This is the aircon shop I'm going after, and I'm gonna put my car here and I'll document it for you guys every single day if I can. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So after a few days, I visited the workshop, and the first thing they do is they install the AC compressor and also the AC compressor brackets to the engine block and fit the AC compressor, and it's quite packed right there. And then after that they install the condenser and also the cooling fan and the piping, the everything. So like from the AC compressor, the pipe, to inside the car, to the whole system, and then make sure all the system works, and also the receiver dryer, and also the switch under the dash, and this is my blower. Alright guys, so just now the owner of the workshop just called me and he said that my car is ready and I can go and take the car. So if you're wondering what car is this is a KP30. If you haven't watched the video, go click this link and watch it. So right now I will go to the AC shop and I will take the car back home and I will film for you guys and explain every single thing, like what he installed and how things work. Yep, we'll check it out soon. So yeah. Alright guys, so my car is right here and I think I'm gonna interview the owner of the shop, like how he did everything, because a lot of you asking me how do I do this setup and everything. So I'm gonna explain all the details here. Okay guys, so this is my car and so uncle saya mau tanya lah. So banyak orang tanya, ini kondenser kereta apa punya?
Ini universal,
Universal lah.
Ya, kita boleh pasang apa jenis kereta lah yang sesuai lah.
Kipas pun universal juga.
Ya, universal. Ini kompresor sama juga. Ya, yang penting sama dia punya sisi lah, dia punya kuasa kereta lah.
Oke, so kalau old school mau pasang boleh pasang lah.
Boleh.
Okay guys, so if you guys interested to install aircon on your old car, just come to this shop. This is Bayu Sabah. Okay guys.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright guys, so later when I come back home, I will show you guys all the details, like how he did it and everything. So now let's drive this car back home because it's night. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and we just bought this blue canvas because it was so hot and I can't just let my car sitting here. So right now I'm gonna review everything, all the system he has done to this car. So basically this is my interior, and alright, let's pop the hood. Okay, it's already popped. Alright, so I actually have zero knowledge about air conditioning, about the system and everything, but I will try to explain everything here. So first off, this is my AC compressor. If you don't know what is AC compressor, it's a compressor inside it. It will compress the gas inside it. Okay, so what I did was I bought this mounting. This mount is from a KE70 4K engine. It was mounted to my block. And I think you have to remove this one. I don't know what they did, but I think they removed this. This is the AC pump, the fuel pump. It pumps my fuel from the backside to my carburetors. Basically you just mount this, and there's one right there, down there. So this AC compressor, I buy a brand new AC compressor so that it has no issue in the future. So they bolt this up. I think it's maybe 4 bolts, I'm not sure. So basically you need a mounting and an AC compressor, and that is all you need. So there is 2 holes right here. One is the hot one is the cold one. So this one actually goes to where? It was too tight here. Okay, I think I saw it. So this hose actually goes right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It just goes right here, this one, and it goes to here and to this condenser. So this condenser is actually inside it. There is a lot of gas when your AC compressor is on. The gas simply just run all over this place. And then this is the brand new electric fan. This electric fan is actually to cool the condenser up, and then the gas will flow. It starts from here, right? So it just flow all the way until it is down there, this hose. Alright, so this is the second hose, and this hose is going to here and goes to right here, and then it goes to this. This is a receiver dryer, and then it connects it to here, and then it goes inside it. So this goes right here, like this, and going up to this one. So it goes inside my car. So what is inside my car? A typical AC unit for old car is actually it it was here, like the blower was here and it blows the air out from here. But me, I want him to hide everything. So this is my blower. I don't know what model is this, I don't know what car is this from, but this is my AC blower. So I want it to blow it out from here and there, and there one more here. This hole is actually the air vent. When you're driving, the wind go inside here and it will goes to here and it will blows out the outside wind. So back in the days, there is no AC on the car. I mean, like 70s, 80s, there's no AC on the car. So the wind you get is actually from the outside, it's not from the AC or anything. So they actually cut my hose, I mean from this one to here. It is disconnected, so the blower is actually connected to here. Let me explain. So this is my blower, this is the AC blower, this is the cooling coil, and inside it it was a bunch of cool air. Basically there is a fan right here, it just blow all the cool air out. So what he did was he connected all the pipes to, I don't know if I can show you, it connects to here, so it goes inside this thing, right? So this thing is basically blowing AC air out. Same goes to this part and also this part. All right, so here's the switch. This is the fan speed 1 2 3, and this is the temperature, and you can go low or high. So basically this is how he did it. So after the cool air has been blown out, the hose goes back to this one and it goes straight to the AC compressor. So it starts from here and it goes back to here. Okay, so this is basically how he did it. The condenser is right here, the fan is right here, my radiator is right here. This engine bay is a very lack of space, and I'm so happy that it works. So right now I'm going to start the car and show you guys how it works. All right, so let's try to start the car. My car actually has a loud noise when you start the engine. Maybe I don't know what noise is that. So right now the aircon is not on, so let's try to on it. Yeah, it's air. Right? So there's aircon here. Oh my god, so cold. Right, so basically just like that, my AC is complete and this car is daily drivable. So yep, that is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share to your friends or anyone who wants to install the AC on the car, but make sure you get a professional to do it. If you do it yourself, maybe the percentage of success is less, but if you send to a shop, you might need to spend a little money. So if you are from KK, you can visit this shop called Bayu Sabah. And yeah, I think that's all for today's video. So I'm gonna see you guys on my next video.